Dear students, welcome to the first modules of our series of modules about some mathematical study skills. In these modules, the study skill that we are considering, we will label it as zoom in and out from pictures. Please click on the Start button to proceed to the modules. Let us start by the following example. Find the points on the graph of x squared minus xy plus y squared is equivalent to 27, at which the tangent line is parallel to the line y is equivalent to 5. Let us see the bigger picture, where we focus on the main purpose of the question, that is finding points on the curve of the equation with certain property. To get these points, we need to dive into the details of the question. Since the tangent lines are parallel to the line y is equivalent to 5, so the slopes are equal. This is the key detail and the starting point in solving the problem. The slope of the line y is equivalent to 5 is m1, which is equivalent to 0, since it is a horizontal line. To find the tangent line slope, we differentiate implicitly the curve equation. Note that dy over dx evaluated at the point of tangency x and y represent the slope of the tangent line. As we said, since the tangent line and the line y is equivalent to 5 are parallel, so their slopes are equal. Solving 2x minus y divided by x minus 2y is equivalent to 0, we get that a relation between x and y, so y is equivalent to 2 of x. Therefore, the point of tangency is of the form x and 2 of x. Since this point is on the curve of x squared minus xy plus y squared is equivalent to 27, it satisfies its equation. Hence, this implies that the tangency points are 3, 6 and minus 3, minus 6. Now, are you ready to solve the following problems? Keeping in mind the techniques of zooming in and out, you have some time to test yourself. Did you get the following answer? Please click on one of the buttons, yes or no. It seems that you need another example to understand the technique of zooming in and out. Let us answer the following question. Determine the values of t at which the instantaneous rate of change of g of t is equivalent to sine of t plus half cosine 2 of t is 0. The main objective of the question is to find t such that instantaneous rate of change of g of t is 0. If we zoom in into the detail of the questions, what is the instantaneous rate of change of g of t? Simply, it is the derivative of g of t with respect to the variable t. First, we are looking for g prime of t expression. Then, we need to equate this expression to 0 as follows. We get either cosine of t is equivalent to 0 or sine of t is equivalent to 1 over 2. As you know, sine and cosine functions are periodic functions with period 2 pi. Therefore, the solution is in the interval from 0 to 2 pi. We start with this interval. For cosine t is equivalent to 0, we get that t have to be pi over 2 or 3 pi over 2. And for sine of t is equivalent to 1 over 2, we get that t is equivalent to pi over 6 and 5 pi over 6. Now, since sine is positive in the first and the second quadrants, we get these two values for the t, pi over 6 and 5 pi over 6. Now, the general solution for all real numbers is going to be obtained here by adding an integer multiple of the period 2 pi to each of the obtained values of the t. If you got the idea of the zooming in and out technique, then you will be able to solve the following problems. Good luck! Do not forget to watch the other modules in this series. Best of luck!